we have indefinite integral. To solve this problem, we will use technique U substitution. Let U be the contents of this parenthesis. This is our U. Let me rewrite this. U is equal to minus 3x. Now we have to find the derivative of both sides of our equation with respect to x. So du to dx is equal, derivative of 2 is 0, we don't have to write, and derivative of negative 3x is negative 3. So now, because we substitute expression in parentheses by u, we cannot have dx outside. So we have to find how much is du. We have du over dx. To find du, we will multiply both sides by dx. And now we can reduce dx with dx, and we have du is equal negative 3 dx. Because in our expression we have only after parentheses dx. We don't have negative 3. So now I will just divide both sides by negative 3. Now negative 3 and negative 3 we can reduce, and we have, I will change the sides, so it will be dx is equal, we can write first negative 1/3 du. So now we can substitute dx by negative 1/3 du. And we will get integral of u to 5th power times negative 1/3 du. You see that we got integral with respect to u. Notice that we do not mix up x and u in the one expression. We have only u. And now we have to find integral with respect to u. First, what we can do, we have constant here, negative 1/3. We can take this constant, negative 1/3, before our integral symbol. So it will be negative 1/3, and we have integral of u to 5th power with respect to u. So this is equal. We have to use integral of power function formula. Let me remind you. When we have integral of u to power n with respect to u, this is equal u to power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Plus, of course, because we have indefinite integral, we have to add constant c. And this formula is for n different than negative 1. In our example, we have n equals 5. So we have to copy negative 1/3, and we have in numerator u to power 5th plus 1 over 5 plus 1 plus c. So this is equal, we have negative 1/3 times u to power 6 over 6. So this is equal, negative times positive is negative, and in numerator we will have u to 6th power over 3 times 6 is 18. I forgot add c, of course. Here we need to have c. And now we have to unsubstitute the u. U is equal to minus 3x. So this is equal. We have negative sign, and in numerator we have to put in parentheses 2 minus 3x. This is our u. And this is to 6th power over 18 plus c. And we are finished.